Money problems are something we all face at some point in our lives. Whether it's struggling to pay bills, managing debt, or simply not having enough savings, financial stress can take a toll on our well-being. But what if there was a way to take control of your finances and achieve true financial freedom? Imagine living without the constant worry about money, being able to afford what you need and want, and having the security of a solid financial foundation. This is not just a dream. It can be a reality with the right approach. In this video, I will share a 5-step routine that has helped many people, including myself, break free from financial worries and build a stable and prosperous future. These steps are practical, easy to follow, and designed to fit into your everyday life. Let's embark on this journey together. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan and the motivation to start making positive changes today. Get ready to take the first step towards your financial freedom. Step 1. Assess your financial situation. The first step to achieving financial freedom is to understand your current financial situation. This means taking a close look at how much money you earn, how much you spend, and what you owe. It might seem a bit scary at first, but it's a necessary step to gain control over your finances. Start by tracking your income. This includes your salary, any side jobs, or other sources of money you receive regularly. Write down all the money coming in every month. Next, list all your expenses. These include fixed costs like rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, and any other bills you pay regularly. Don't forget to include occasional expenses, such as dining out, entertainment, and gifts. Now, compare your income to your expenses. Are you spending more than you earn? If so, it's time to find ways to cut back on your spending. This might mean eating out less, canceling subscriptions you don't use, or finding cheaper alternatives for some of your regular expenses. Next, take a look at your debts. Write down how much you owe, to whom, and what the interest rates are. This includes credit cards, student loans, car loans, and any other debts you have. Knowing the total amount of your debt and the interest rates will help you make a plan to pay them off more efficiently. There are many tools and apps available to help you track your finances, such as budgeting apps or simple spreadsheets. Using these tools can make it easier to see where your money is going and help you stay organized. By assessing your financial situation, you'll have a clear picture of where you stand and what changes need to be made. This is the foundation for all the steps that follow on your journey to financial freedom. Step 2. Set clear financial goals. Having specific goals gives you a direction and helps you stay motivated. Without goals, it's easy to lose track and not make progress. Start by thinking about what you want to achieve financially. Your goals can be short-term, like saving for a vacation or paying off a credit card, or long-term, like buying a house or saving for retirement. Make sure your goals are smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Specific. Be clear about what you want to achieve. Instead of saying, "I want to save money," say, "I want to save $5,000 for a down payment on a car." Measurable. Make sure you can track your progress. For example, if your goal is to save $1,200 in a year, you can measure it by saving $100 each month. Achievable. Set goals that are realistic. It's important to challenge yourself, but don't set goals that are impossible to reach. If you earn $2,000 a month, saving $1,500 every month might not be realistic. Relevant. Your goals should matter to you and fit into your overall financial plan. If your priority is paying off debt, make that your focus instead of saving for a luxury item. Time-bound. Give yourself a deadline. This creates a sense of urgency and helps you stay on track. For example, I want to save $3,000 for an emergency fund in the next 12 months. Write down your goals and keep them where you can see them every day. This will remind you of what you're working towards and keep you motivated. With clear goals, you'll have a roadmap to guide you on your journey to financial freedom. Step 3. Create a budget and stick to it. Creating a budget is a crucial step towards financial freedom. A budget helps you control your spending, save money, and achieve your financial goals. It might sound difficult, but it's actually quite simple. Start by listing your monthly income and expenses. Your income includes your salary and any other money you receive regularly. Your expenses include everything you spend money on, such as rent, groceries, transportation, and entertainment. Next, categorize your expenses. Separate them into needs and wants. Needs are things you must pay for, like rent, utilities, and groceries. Wants are things you can live without, like dining out, movies, and new clothes. Now, allocate your income to cover your expenses. Make sure your needs are fully covered first. Then, decide how much you can spend on your wants. If your expenses are more than your income, look for ways to cut back on your wants or find additional sources of income. Stick to your budget by tracking your spending. Use a notebook, spreadsheet, or budgeting app to record every expense. Review your budget regularly and adjust it as needed. If you overspend in one category, try to spend less in another. By creating and sticking to a budget, you'll gain control over your finances and move closer to achieving your financial goals. Step 4. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is money set aside to cover unexpected expenses, such as car repairs, medical bills, or job loss. Having an emergency fund gives you peace of mind and prevents you from going into debt when life throws you a curveball. Start by setting a savings goal for your emergency fund. A good rule of thumb is to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This might seem like a lot, but you can build it up over time. Begin with a smaller goal, such as saving $500 or $1,000, and gradually increase it. To build your emergency fund, look for ways to save money. Cut back on non-essential expenses, such as dining out or buying new clothes. Use the money you save to contribute to your emergency fund. You can also set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. This way, you save money without even thinking about it. Consider keeping your emergency fund in a separate savings account. This makes it less tempting to dip into it for non-emergencies. Look for a high-yield savings account to earn more interest on your money. Whenever you receive unexpected money, such as a tax refund, work bonus, or gift, add it to your emergency fund. This will help you reach your savings goal faster. Remember, your emergency fund is for emergencies only. Don't use it for regular expenses or impulse purchases. If you do need to use it, make it a priority to replenish the fund as soon as possible. Building and maintaining an emergency fund helps you protect yourself from financial setbacks and stay on track towards financial freedom. Step 5. Invest for the future. Investing is a powerful way to grow your wealth and achieve long-term financial freedom. When you invest, you make your money work for you, earning more money over time. The earlier you start, the more you can benefit from the power of compound interest, which is when your earnings generate even more earnings. Start by learning the basics of investing. Understand the different types of investments, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Each type has its own risks and potential rewards. Diversifying your investments or spreading your money across different types can help reduce risk. Set clear investment goals based on your financial objectives. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or your children's education? Your goals will help determine your investment strategy. For long-term goals, consider more aggressive investments, like stocks, which have higher potential returns but also higher risks. For short-term goals, safer investments like bonds might be more appropriate. Consider opening a retirement account, such as a 401k or an IRA, if you haven't already. These accounts offer tax advantages that can help your money grow faster. If your employer offers a 401k match, take full advantage of it. It's like getting free money. It's important to invest regularly, even if it's a small amount. Set up automatic contributions to your investment accounts to stay consistent. Over time, these contributions can add up significantly. Finally, stay informed about your investments and review your portfolio regularly. Adjust your investments as needed to stay aligned with your goals and risk tolerance. By investing wisely and consistently, you can build a secure financial future and move closer to financial freedom. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. And if you made it to this point of the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.